Where every angle is a masterpiece. Amsterdam City View. Let's begin the journey of the beautiful canal city Amsterdam through the lens of globe gliders. The European rider bike. Mercure Hotel. Keep watching the interesting part ahead, the sundial and the place where people tie locks in memory on bridge. Airport lobby. Shopping zone. Residential areas. The subway. The sundial. This isn't just a sculpture in Amsterdam. It's a giant scientific sundial. The shadow of this pole can show the time, the season, and even how Earth's tilt changes. The sun's path throughout the year. Amersfoort Station. The Beautiful Canal. Place where people tie a lock on bridge on name of loved one who passed away. City View. Thank you for watching. If you like the content, subscribe Globe Gliders channel for more such travel videos and explore the world with us.